everybody, and welcome to another episode of I Should Be Painting. This week, we're going to be unboxing the Rangers board game. So if you couldn't tell, that's me. It is. Which is cool. It's cool to be in your own board game. Alright, I don't want to scratch it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this game is a single player game or a co-op game. I haven't actually played the final version. I have only played the beta game. So, excuse me, Sergeant Ripper. We have the Rangers rulebook, which is pretty nice, pretty nice. Then we have all of our tokens, and each character has a card, and they have special abilities and stat points. Let's find my card. There it is, Valen. That is so cool. The map, which is really big, and then we have this nice box. Ta-da! Ork warbands that we'll be fighting, and the day-night events. I'm sorry, Space Marines, but you're gonna have to move. There we go. There's the board. So you set up all these different villages. Your character starts in a particular village. You move around, and one of the villages has, of course, the gem in it. You play through these cards, and it's a super fun game. Don't forget that on February 10th, I'm going to be on the Shrine of Chaos with Dave, co-creator of the game, and at Mini Wargaming. Hence the Mini Wargaming logo right there. And there's Dave himself. Oh, he's the coolest, isn't he? And we're going to be talking about the game, and hopefully we'll get a first game in soon. So we have events and phases. It tells you all sorts of things that happen. And when you're in the cities, you can build them up. You can give them walls. You can give them stables, which produce extra stuff. All right, let's stay in this room and take a look at our 3 featured creators for this week. Hey everybody, here we are at the computer, and we are starting out our journey on Etsy with the Sith Crafter. Now, I'm not here for the actual crafts. I'm here because he posted an amazing ATST paint job, and he told me that he also has an Etsy page, and when I was checking it out, I was like, wow, this is a cool Etsy page, particularly this Vader mask. First of all, who's the model? Second of all, can I be the model? Because I want the Vader mask. Yes, I do. But let's actually look at what we're here to look at, and that is his ATST. Love the base. I hope you're not modeling for advantage. Oh, that was unfair. That was unfair. But I really like this. I love the terrain that he's made, the red stripe going across, the little details on it. He's even provided us with some fancy little detail pictures like this awesome ass foot, and this stuff here. And I mean, it's great. It's absolutely great. Way to make your own ATST and paint it to be awesome. Next, we are going over to Instagram for lethargypersonified. Man, glad I didn't practice that one, because that wouldn't have been embarrassing. And here is someone who has done something that makes me all really happy. And no, it's not the Space Wolves. It's not the Space Wolves that make me really happy. The Space Wolves are fine. It's an Ork FireSpray. What? So what? X-Wing meets 40K Boba Fett is an orc. His ship's been taken by orcs. I don't understand what's going on, but I love it. I absolutely look. It's the Ork of Millennium Falcon, I think. It's just like, okay, cool, brilliant conversion, and here he is, chopping him up and putting them together. So that lethargy personified, that definitely gets a follow. Stop giving me suggestions, and everybody else should follow too. You can find it in the notes below. Lastly, we head on back over to the good old Facebook with Marc. Marc is doing an amazing conversion of a Catan shard of the Nightbringer, which is just absolutely gorgeous. I love what he's doing. I love the obelisk. I like how all of the different legs are in these different positions, how he's utilizing this like new sort of like tech and ethereal magic thing that they have going on for the Necrons. It's a really dynamic pose. It's great. I can't wait to see it painted. I hope that as you continue this conversion, and when you get the paint job done, send it to me because I want to show everybody that. So if you want to check that out, you can do so on Facebook. I will put a link to the group for that as well. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us. I hope that you are excited about the Rangers game. I know that I am excited about the Rangers game. Remember, February 10th on Shrine of Chaos with Dave, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 12 p.m. Central Time. I don't know why I need to tell you Central Time. Just in case. That's what they do, right? They give you different times. We are going to be talking about the movie. We're going to be talking about the game. If you'd like to buy a copy of the movie or buy a copy of the game, we'll be having those links available on the Mini Wargaming website soon, I am sure. I don't think they're there now, but they will be there soon. And if you never want to miss an update, hit that bell button, hit that subscribe button. If you want to take your patronage to the next level, check out our Patreon in the notes below. Join our Discord server, come hang out with us, show us what you're making. Our hobby channel is super fun. And until next time, we'll see you on the table.